What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, there is this Netflix documentary that is coming out called Beauty and the Beast, whereby they're going to be talking, about Tabo Besta and Nandi Pamagudumana's journey. And Pearl Tusi, this actress, she actually had, an encounter with Tabo Besta. So, okay, enough of that. There is one thing interesting whereby Netflix actually said that Nandi Pamagudumana, actually agreed, for this documentary to go ahead. But now she was trying to stop the documentary from coming out. But having initially agreed, that the documentary should go ahead. It's really interesting. So they actually tried to challenge, the release of this documentary, but they lost, and the court actually allowed, the documentary to be released and go ahead. So currently, the documentary has been released. It's out. What is actually interesting are actually two things. Is Nandi Pamagudumana's U-turn, from agreeing that the documentary be released and then making this U-turn to say it should not be released. So the first one is the U-turn, is there anything, with regards to these rumors, whereby Tabo Besta was saying to be threatening Nandi Pamagudumana to say, don't say anything, etc., etc. So there is this leaked audio whereby it's alleged, that Tabo Besta was threatening Nandi Pamagudumana. So we're trying to connect the dots to see does it link with Nandi Pamagudumana from pulling out. Maybe we're clutching on straws, but anyway, time will tell us the truth. So this is it about Nandi Pamagudumana making the U-turn from her initial position to say let the documentary be released, and now coming out to say nah, don't release the documentary. But unfortunately for them, they lost that. So this is the news that we got for you with regards to Nandi Pamagudumana's position. I'll catch you guys on the next one.